Hello and welcome, dear learners. My name is Akanksha Srivastava. Today I will teach you vowel sound. There are five types of vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. Why sound is so important? During the speaking, many times we mispronounce many of the words, or while writing something, we are not able to write correct spelling. Do you know what is the reason of it? The reason is we are not aware about the particular sound of a character. So from removing that mistakes from you, I am just here to help you out. Let's start with the sound of A. A as its letter pronounced as A. A in a sentence pronounced as A. Whenever A comes in a sentence alone, we should always pronounce A. Never use A. Let's see some examples. He is a good boy. Here you can see A is alone. So we will pronounce it as A. A man is going. Some sound of A are A, 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 O. You have to focus the direction of your jaw while speaking any sound of A. Your jaw will going downside. Like that. As you eat the apple, you just open up your mouth and your lower jaw will go downside. Apple. Like that. Let's start with the sound A. A, lard, A, agree, a jar. Here you can see the location of my lower jaw. A, lard, a, agree, a jar. The another sound of A is R. R, after, far, star, alt, extra. Let's move forward. When A comes with A, AI or AY, most of the time the sound will become A, like name, game, pain, rain, day, say. The sound of A as air, rare, dare, bear. The sound of A as O, tall, all, call, awesome, awful, awkward. In this way, you can see there are different sounds of A, but the location of your lower jaw is just going downside. In this way, you can differentiate the sound between A or E. I hope this will be helpful for you and you can improve your pronunciation in this way. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.